Hi everyone, it's Morgan from For Love of Paper, and I am here sharing the Scrapping Fun Kits Traveler's Notebook Kit. This is an autumn themed kit, and I am here to do the unboxing. So I'm going to start at the back with the papers. So these ones are, oh, this one's not quite cut to size, let's just check. Okay. Yeah. So these are already cut to size. This one's a little bit short, but you could put a bit of washi tape or something at the top. So these are the papers. You got the stripy one, this floral one, and then this one that's like a bit of a checkerboard with squares. Then, oops, next up we've got, oh cool, some cut apart embellishments. So these are kind of like some little tags and frames and labels, and then oh, there's another paper stuck in there. Oh, I really like that one actually. And we've got these other cut apart sheets that Raylene has designed. So we've got autumn, some, what is this, like ribbon banner, some flare badges, a few little words, journaling spot, oh popcorn, that will be handy. We quite often have movie nights here in this house. And we've got a sheet of alphas. There's usually a sheet of alphas in the Traveler's Notebook kit. And oh, this is a cute little envelope. Oh, how precious is that? Love it. So we've got that. And then a few more little embellishment pieces. We've got an edge piece, a border piece I should say, and then this little wavy bit. And then these are the washi tapes for the month. How beautiful are those? I love this one and this one. Oh, that one's so sweet. You could probably hardly even see it on there. Adorable. What else have we got? Another cut apart. So this actually comes apart, or it's push apart I should say. There's quite a few pieces to that. So that's really handy. A doily. Over, and a couple more of these tags, a pretty little frame, another like a shipping label, oh, two of those. This one says remember, and then these are all kind of little journaling cards by the look of it. Let's have a look. We've got one with an ampersand, and it sort of matches with this purple theme. This one with some green and yellow. Today, some stars. Oh, this one's green. This will be good for maybe St. Patrick's Day, like that. Comfy sweaters, warm drinks, pretty colors. I love autumn, and happiness is autumn leaves. Very appropriate. And I know that I will have a little someone who will be jumping around in some leaves, so that will be perfect. So that is everything for the Traveler's Notebook Autumn Kit. I will leave a link below where you can go and subscribe and check them out. And that is it. Oh, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.